love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today we'll be seeing the final part of the list. So let's see what are all the new commands, what we actually missed, and what we are going to learn new, and why it actually went into part 2. Okay, so let's take a deep dive. Namaste friends. So in today's lecture, which is basically lecture number 10, we'll be seeing the continuation of list, which is list part 2. And the good news is list actually ends here. So what did we learn in the previous lecture? List is a square bracket, changeable, allowable, duplicates, ordered. Okay, and then we saw how to remove, how to delete, the pop, delete, clear command, and then the various kind of indexes, and the extent, adding to lists. So we saw all those things. So now it is an extension. So what we are going to be seeing is slightly more. The comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of the existing list. Now let's take for an example, I take this. I say my fruits are apple, banana, cherry, kiwi and mango. And I have a new list. And in my new list, I actually just put, I don't say anything. What I actually say is for my X and my fruits. Okay, this is a loop command. If my A is in my X, which is apple, banana and mango, the new list I'm going to append it with the X. Okay, and then I'm saying print my new list, which is this one. Let's see. That's exactly what I said. So basically, even though you don't create a list, but if you just want to think from the side, this is how the looping is actually working. For X and fruits, if A is in X, apple, banana, mango, append X, which is add this new list with append X, and then I'm saying print my new list. This is what it is giving. Okay, so that is what I wanted to say. Now what are all the commands? Okay, so let's actually take everything and let's actually see what is what. This is my fruits. If A, I'm going to check what is my A and my X. I'm going to print this new list. Same, apple, banana. This we already saw it here. Now let's actually see this. If X is not equal to apple, okay, so let's actually see this. It has taken away apple. Now this is the range. It is going to give me 0 to 9. Okay, because this is the range. So once we actually get into loops, we'll be learning a lot more in detail. Okay. Let's see whether this gets copied. Yep. So for the range in 10, if X is lesser than 5, print the new list. So I'm not asking the entire, in the 10, I want to only 0 to 4. Okay, this is what I did. I can make it upper, I can make it lower, I can actually add these things. We have actually tried it before. Let's actually try it here. I'm just making all these things as upper. Very simple. Caps. Let's see what this thing does. So what this is doing is I have given 5 fruits: apple, banana, cherry, kiwi and mango, and I'm saying my new list, hello for X in the fruits. So X in the fruits is apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango. I'm saying replace everything with hello and then print this thing. So it has given me 5 hellos. That's all. It is more or less the same thing, but let's see what this thing is. Same. If it is not banana or orange. So last time we said not apple, so now we are saying banana or orange, else orange. Let's see. Anyways, orange is not here. So what we are doing is we are telling if x is not equal to banana, here it is equal to banana, then we say orange for x in fruits. So where this banana is, we actually replace this with orange. Very simple. We're actually sorting this. So sorting is alphabetical sorting. So it starts from banana and stuff. If we actually sort this as numerical, ascending, we can also put descending. So let's actually see that. So we are taking in this alphabet from A to Z, this is the highest, second highest, and this is the like A, B. So this has come as last because we said reverse is true. We are sorting in the descending order of alphabets. Likewise, we are actually doing the descending order of numbers, and that is the same. So basically the same sorting. Okay, that is what this is. And let's actually take this, and then here it is reverse. So everything is lower. So we change everything to lower, and we did as upper in the previous one. And here we are actually reversing. So basically the banana will come as the last. Second last is cherry. Banana is the last. My apologies. By this, when we say reverse, cherry comes first, banana goes last, kiwi comes here, orange goes here. So this is basically like shuffling. So that is what we are doing here, not the other kind of reverse. We are making a copy. Same. We are making a copy of this here. Same. Same thing here. We are printing the same thing. Same. we're actually trying to add these two and we did. We are trying to append and we did. For x and list 2, which is 1xxx, list 1 dot append. So basically we are actually appending these three with this. Let's see. I have to say print of this. Okay, just give me a second. Otherwise it wouldn't have. And that is exactly what I told you. It is taking this, it is actually appended with this. That is exactly what I told you. We are actually extending this with this. List 1 with list 2, we are actually extending this. So ABC 1, 2, 3, and we are printing this list 1. Same. We already went over this in list part 1. Same. So in the list methods, my friends, I want you to actually pay index to here. Append, it adds an element. Clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse. Reverses the order, sort. Other than the indexing, we have actually gone over everything in this lectures. Okay, like string 1 and string 2. Now let's actually see this here. If you want, we can actually go over this again, but why not? Let's actually go over this. Okay. I am appending orange. We all know this. So if you actually say print fruits here, or print fruits, it should append. That is exactly what it did. Now what I can do is I can clear, and I can say print fruits. See the square brackets. This is exactly what we saw. Copy is copy. And then here let's actually see. Print fruits. Extending in the cars. So we apple, banana, cherry, we actually extend this. Let's see. Bingo. So we are getting good in this, aren't we? So let's actually see this. Print x. Fruits, apple, banana, cherry. X equals fruits, count, cherry. So let's actually see this. There is only one time it has actually happened. So that is what it actually says here. Now we can actually insert this apple, orange, banana, cherry, and that is exactly what it is. And we can actually try some random commands. See exactly what happened. We can pop one, and let's not do the remove, but let's do the reverse, and let's do the sort. Or if you want, we can do that. So print fruits. So basically the banana is popped. Very simple. So remove banana we already said, so let's not do that. Cherry comes here, apple goes here, banana stays, because reverse is the order. So by sorting, it's sorting from ascending. All right. So friends, I trust you have actually enjoyed the entire list, which is a square bracket, duplicates, ordered, changeable, and we saw a lot of command: append, extend, sort, remove, pop, clear, everything we tried. And we also tried with a lot of loops. We also kind of understood the loops, but not entirely there, but hang in there. The loops has a separate section. So we are done with chapter 10. Can you believe it? List is done. And the next one will be tuple. Tuple, I think, will be a single lecture. So till we see next time, take care. Cheers. Namaste friends. I trust you have actually watched my list part 2 and probably enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, you know whom to actually contact. I'll try to help you to the best of my to the best of my abilities. Like always, I'd like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time. Another is my wife Jaishi for being my big support. To follow my passion. Till we see next time. Take care. Cheers.